Hi everyone, now we are going to see how to repair the life hinge. Remember that I repaired this one temporarily, the aileron, with a silicone sealant, but I didn't like it, so I'm going to use the same procedure I did with the flap, right? I'm going to use the silicone, 2-part silicone, to repair this one and make it stronger. Okay, first of all, we need to take our masking tape, calculate the length of all the aileron, cut a piece. We're going to use this one as the support while we put the silicone. Half we put to the wing and we attach the aileron temporarily to this tape. One recommendation with tape is when you are setting the tape, don't stretch it, because the glue is not going to stretch and then slowly is going to unglue, right? So always leave it as loose as possible without stretching. Okay, now put the aileron. It needs to be edge to edge. Alright. Okay. Alright, you can see this is a temporary hinge, the aileron. Right. Now we are going to prepare the hot glue to make the two, let's say, kind of dam, one dam here, one dam here, so we can pour the silicone in the middle. Just give me a second. Alright, the hot glue is fired up. I'm going to make the two dams. One here, one end. Doesn't need to be so high. The important thing is that it needs to avoid the silicone from leaking. And the one on this side. Later you can remove it, no problem. But also it makes no any harm to leave it there. Alright, we have the two sections isolated. Alright, now we wait for the hot glue to set, to cool down. Make sure that it's aligned with the bottom. I'm becoming increasingly fanatic of these cordless tools that all share the same battery. I have a collection already. It's very nice because this is a best invention from Makita. They invented, I think, this kind of battery that is compatible with all the tools that they produce, but also now with the new copies that the Chinese are making from Makita. Alright, I think now it's practically ready. Right. Now we're going to mix the A and B for this silicone. One of these, one stick to mix it. Since both of the compounds are similar viscosity, you can just drop it by hand. You don't need to weight it because it's 1-to-1, so you can do it by eye. They're more or less the same. Usually with the epoxy you need to weigh because the epoxy has different viscosities, right? but this one has this more or less the same viscosity. Don't mix the caps. Alright, now we have the two parts, right, and then we mix the parts carefully. Don't worry about the container because later it can be stripped up without issues. Just mix it carefully. When it start to react, the viscosity reduces a little bit. That helps us to do the pouring inside the aileron. Later you need to make sure that the aileron is the full surface is as horizontal as possible, so we have a homogeneous layer of silicone inside. We are going to do it using some pieces of wood to make sure that it's horizontal. We're going to use optical level as well. You see, now it's practically homogeneous. Now we open the gap. Now we start pouring the silicone inside. Alright. There's some issues here, but no problem because I can clean it later. Alright. Help a little bit to distribute. Right, and now we close it from this side. Clean this mess. Alright, now we put support here, and as I mentioned, we need to make sure everything is aligned and everything is as horizontal as possible. For that, we're going to use some tools. Right, this is almost there. Here. Alright. A little bit. Right. Alright, that's it. Now we need to let it set. It was going to take around 3 to 4 hours. And after that, we'll show you the final result. Most probably going to drip a little bit on the edges, but easy to clean, no problem. Alright, this is how we fix a live hinge hinge, broken live hinge, and that makes the hinge very strong, and we expect that it's going to last quite long. Thanks for watching, and keep posted because we continue on the restoration of this Skymaster F18.